Outdated systems can lead to reduced efficiency and productivity and can cause significant waste if they are affecting a large number of employees. By modernizing a legacy system, you can improve the performance of your team, which will help your business to save time and resources. Here, I will describe some examples of the most common system maintenance challenges I see. Legacy software may be built on old, unpopular tech stacks, which can make it hard for organizations to find developers or support personnel with the required tech skills. This can lead to difficulty in maintaining and updating the system, which can impact overall performance and total costs. One of the biggest issues is hiring a talent with a specific and likely outdated skills to fit your system requirements. If the technology stack is not popular, you will not have many developers to choose from to work on your system, and your existing developers will be less motivated, which means less productive. Legacy systems built with outdated technologies can be difficult or even impossible to integrate with the modern software solutions. This can limit your organization's ability to take advantage of new technologies, tools, and services that could improve its operations and provide a competitive advantage. Outdated legacy systems often lack proper documentation, which make troubleshooting and maintenance challenging. Without documentation, it can be difficult to understand systems design and component structure, making it hard to fix bugs or make updates. When you design modernized systems with the proper documentation, it becomes easier to maintain and update the system in the future. Legacy systems are sometimes based on custom, obsolete approaches, resulting in high expenses to make changes. They may also require extensive downtime to deploy updates, leading to lost productivity and revenue. Overall, the cost of making changes to a legacy system can be a significant factor in deciding whether to modernize. While maintenance can be expensive, there are many additional costs associated with legacy systems that I will describe next.